ASMI Chem. Cooling Tower Essentials, Function, Efficiency and Maintenance. A cooling tower is a heat rejection device that transfers waste heat from a water stream to the atmosphere through evaporation. Cooling towers reduce water temperature by exposing the water to air, causing some of the water to evaporate. Cooling towers are essential components in various industries, playing a vital role in efficient heat management and environmental protection. How a cooling tower functions. As hot water enters and distributes within the tower, airflow is introduced, causing heat transfer through evaporation, which cools the water before it returns. If a cooling tower functions well, it provides more than 70% efficiency. Efficiency of a cooling tower. The efficiency of a cooling tower can be calculated using the formula shown here. Common issues that reduce efficiency. Scale and mineral deposits. Dissolved solids form scale on heat transfer surfaces. Even 1/16th scale reduces efficiency by 12 to 15%. Biological growth and biofilm. These create insulating barriers that impede heat transfer and can lead to microbiologically influenced corrosion, damaging system components. Mechanical issues. Problems like uneven water distribution, clogged nozzles, or damaged fill material disrupt the critical air-water interface where cooling occurs. Fouled condenser tubes. In chillers and power plants, fouled tubes significantly reduce system efficiency, requiring more energy to achieve the same cooling effect. Following chemicals are used to remove scale, corrosion, and biological growth. Algae. These chemicals are essential for maintaining cooling tower efficiency. They ensure optimal heat transfer and system longevity. Chemical dosing is calculated from the following parameters. Chemical dosing in cooling towers is calculated using the pump circulation, cycle of concentration, and delta T. In general, parameters to be maintained in cooling tower circulating water. For effective cooling tower operation, key parameters must be maintained. This includes pH between 7.8 to 8.5, phosphate at 8 to 10 ppm, and chlorine at 0.5 to 1.0 ppm. Turbidity should be below 10 NTU. Specific limits exist for chloride, 800 ppm, and silica, 100 ppm, with chemical adjustments if exceeded. Hardness ranges from 100 to 400 ppm, and daily blowdown is 10 to 30% of makeup water. Cooling tower chemical dosing guidelines. This section details the recommended chemical dosing for cooling towers. Antiscalant and corrosion inhibitor are both dosed at 50 ppm daily, based on blowdown quantity. Chlorine, 90%, is applied at 1 ppm daily. Two non-oxidizing biocides are used. Biocide number 1 at 50 ppm once every 15 days, 1st and 15th, and biocide number 2 at 50 ppm once every 15 days, 7th and 22nd. pH is maintained between 7.5 and 8.5 using a pH controller.
Manufactured with pride in India, we adhere to the highest international standards. We have ISO, GMP, and FDA certified, guaranteeing you a product of unmatched quality and reliability. Trust in a product that's backed by excellence. For further details, please contact us now or visit our website.